Hi, this is Shade Foray with TaxSaleSupport.com. I'm here with Stephen Swenson again, and this is one of our Property Deal of the Week videos for February.
Yeah, and today we're going to be talking about the state of Washington and one of their online tax deed auctions.
Yeah, Washington's a tax deed state. Basically what that means is that, the county will foreclose on properties after a redemption period has expired, which I think is 3 years in Washington, I want to say.
Yeah, I believe so. And the bidding's going to start at the delinquent taxes, penalties, and fees. So whatever's owed, plus some foreclosure cost, that's going to be the opening bid amount.
Yeah, so basically they're going to sell off the properties there at auction, starting with what's owed, and where you can buy them, or they'll also have some over-the-counter sales occasionally. But the auctions are really where you're going to find most of the best properties.
Yeah, and they have both types of auctions, both online and on-site auctions.
Yeah. And hey, before we move forward, we just want to encourage everybody to join, hit the subscribe button and join our membership so that anytime we produce new videos, you'll be aware of it and you'll know.
Yeah, we would appreciate it.
So we're going to be looking at, this is Clark County, Washington, and in a sale that is coming up on February 15th.
Yeah, tax deed auction through bidforassets.com. Now this first property we're going to be looking at has an opening bid of $23,000, and really it's a pretty nice single-family home.
Yeah, it looks very nice, and it has a pretty low opening bid compared to the to the market on it, which is over 450,000.
Yeah, the county shows the assessed value at $386,000. Zillow showing the value closer to $468,000. Also when I was looking online, you could see online photos.
Yeah.
So it's been for sale recently. In fact, if we looked into the county record, we can see that it probably sold in 2017, or it did sell in 2017.
Yeah, for $265.
Yeah, and those photos are probably from that time frame. So at least that gives us an idea of when those photos were taken, at least the condition it was then. So a property like this, and we would always do an on-site evaluation with any house, but if we did feel it had its value, then, we might bid on this property as high as $250,000 because you still feel comfortable you could make a good profit margin on that.
Yeah, the value's high enough that, it could justify, any rehab costs, and it seems like it's been cared for up to this point. So even if you did end up with some surprises and you had to invest, additional money into it, it's, it would still have plenty of room to be profitable.
Yeah, definitely.
The next property we're looking at here is another single-family home. This one opens up for $33,000. It has an assessed value of about $310,000, estimated market closer to maybe $340,000.
Yeah, now this property looks like it was built in 1995, which means it's a little bit newer construction. We can see that it rent estimates about $2,100 a month. It's a 3-bedroom. 2 bath and about 1,200 square feet. So, on this home, we'd really check out the condition, and then based on that, you could go up to 50% of its value and still feel pretty comfortable that you have rehab room, room to pay for rehab as long as the condition isn't terrible.
Yeah, the newer construction year is something, that would play into that. It is kind of nice to know that it's not it's not 60, 70 years old, that it's maybe 25, 30 years old.
Yeah, well, and just even things like wiring and pipe, is going to be at least more updated, where you're not going to be worrying about, wires from the 30s.
Yeah, that's true. Let's see, the next one we have here, this one is another single-family home. This opens up at $11,600. It has an assessed value of $314,000 in a market that looks like it's about $335,000.
Yeah, another 3-bedroom, 2-bath home, 1,300 square feet, would rent out for about $2,250 a month. And this one was built in 1979. So, not as new as the other one, but still, is on the newer end, or at least...
past your lead paint, for the most part, and asbestos and a lot of that stuff by then.
Exactly. And so, this home would really look at the condition to determine what our high bid was, but if we felt the condition was fixable, then we might go up to $140,000, maybe a little bit more, to acquire this type of property.
Yeah, very good. Yeah, so these again are properties that are being offered up in Clark County, Washington, in an auction that is wrapping up on February 15th.
Yeah, absolutely. And we just reviewed a couple of the homes on there. There's still more property that you could go through and look at.
Yeah.
Also, if you're interested in our program or in our training, go ahead and download our free ebook. You can click the link in the description, secrets of tax, lieninvesting.com, and you can also attend one of the free webinars that me and Shay do.
Yeah, those are always fun to do. We do those on a pretty regular basis. You can also join our membership program, which provides you with training, like live weekly webinars and other trainings that you can watch, as well as the tax sale lists, for different areas, online auctions or live auctions or liens or deeds, whatever it is you're going after.
Yeah, for sure.
So, yeah. Hey, thanks so much for watching this video. Be sure to hit that thumbs up button.
Yeah, appreciate it.